So how can you make a video from the Keynote on your iPad? Let's get started. So if you are new on this channel, most definitely do subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, if you open up your Keynote app as per usual, you'll be able to see your presentation, right? And in order to make a video from it, at first, go to your control center and make sure you have a screen recording toggle right there. Right, so if you do not have it, tap on the plus at the top, then click on Add a Control and look up the screen recording. You just want to make sure it is part of your control center. Now, once you have it, just go to your presentation and tap on Play, so it just goes in full screen. Then go to your control center and start the screen recording. Wait for the countdown to start it officially, and then you're gonna start presenting your presentation as usual, and it will all be captured, right? So this is actually very useful. So you just turn the presentation into an actual video, right? So it's a good idea if you ask me, right? Outside of that, you should also know that we have the ability, before we start the screen recording, to hold down on the toggle and decide whether or not the microphone should be enabled. This is great in case you want to not only showcase the presentation, but also just speak over it and perhaps teach something, explain what's going on the screen and whatnot, right? So you have plenty of options for that, right? And that's the way to make it work. But yeah, at the end of the day, this is the method of doing that. Let me know what you think about it below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials as well.